back. Let's continue testing SMD component. In this video, I'll show you how to test MOSFETs. Of course, all type of MOSFETs. 3-terminal MOSFETs, 8-pin MOSFET or switches, power MOSFETs or flat MOSFETs, and 3-terminal power MOSFETs. So subscribe, hit the notification bell to stay updated. Of course, this is part 3, and for those who didn't watch part 1 and part 2, all links in the description. So let's get started. So first, make sure you select the diode mode on the multimeter. So let's test first this kind of MOSFET. As you can see, 3-terminal MOSFET. So always for this kind of MOSFET, we have here the gate, drain, and source. Gate, drain, and source. The MOSFET could be N-channel MOSFET or P-channel MOSFET. I'll show you everything. So let's check this one here first. So the red probe here, okay, on the drain, the black probe on the source. We get nothing on the multimeter. Means what? Means this MOSFET is N-channel. The proof, I swap the probes. This time the black probe here on the drain, the red probe on the source, we get already about 0.2 drop voltage. In this multimeter, I get 200, 0.2 drop voltage. Which means this is a good MOSFET. So let's check this one here also. So one probe here, another here, same ready. Means this is N-channel. Why? Because the red probe, as you can see, I put it here on the source, and the black probe, as you can see, on the drain, and I get a 0.2 drop voltage. Means this is N-channel MOSFET. But don't worry, I'll show you also other P-channel MOSFETs. Okay, let's check this one, the last one. So one probe here, another here, I get the same ready, 0.2 drop voltage. Also this one is N-channel. So let's see another motherboard and look for P channels, just to understand 100%. Okay guys, let's check this MOSFET over here. So here we have basically the drain. So let's put the red probe on the drain, the black probe on the source. We get already 0.3 drop voltage. Means what? The red probe on the drain, the black probe on the source, means this is P-channel MOSFET. Okay, now guys, we reach the most important used MOSFETs in recent motherboard. Basically, this kind of MOSFETs or switches, 8-pin MOSFETs are the most used and powerful MOSFETs that you can find in every board. Please, before diving into the course, we'd like to give a huge thank you to the sponsor for this video, PCBWay. PCBWay offers many services ranging from PCB production and assembly to 3D printing and a variety of materials. CNC machining, sheet metals fabrication, injection molding, and more. PCBWay makes it easy to get custom parts for your project. And if you don't like to work a lot with a soldering iron, they can even assemble your PCBs for you. That's the PCBWay. Now back to the video. Just a quick explanation for beginner. Here, these 3 pins are for source. Here we have the gate, and the 4 pin here are for drain. Of course, we have this dot here, and this white mark means this is the pin number 1. Always for this kind of MOSFETs, pin number 1, 2, and 3 are for source. The pin number 4 is for the gate, and the other 4 pin drain. So we can even check using the multimeter. As you can see here, these 4 pins, as you can see, are connected together. Okay, so just for beginner, this is drain, 4 pins connected together, and these 3 pins here, as you can see, are also connected together. Why? This is the source, but the 4th one not connected to these pins over here. The same also for this MOSFET. 4 pin here are for drain. Here we have source and we have the drain. So how to test this kind of MOSFET? Easy, always the same working principle. So between source, okay, you can put the probe everywhere here, in every pin here in source. So between source and drain, you have to get a drop voltage. Here we get 0.2 drop voltage, means this is a good MOSFET. Once you didn't get a short like this, means the MOSFET is good. The same for this one also here. Let's check. Okay. So here we get upload. So we have to swap the probe. So the red probe here in the drain, the black probe on the source. Okay, we get 0.2 drop voltage. Means what? Means this MOSFET is good. And what is the type of this MOSFET? Once I put the red probe on the drain and the black probe on the source, and I get a drop voltage, means the MOSFET, this MOSFET is P-channel MOSFET. Why? Because the red probe on drain and the black probe on the source. Okay, my friends, what about this kind of MOSFETs? Please, those MOSFETs are very important. We find it in every board, especially desktop motherboards. Okay, this is a 3-terminal MOSFET, or some technicians called it a 4-terminal MOSFET, because we have the drain here and also here. So this small pin here is connected to this pin. We can even check if I put one probe here, this is drain, and another probe here, you see we get a continuity. Why? Because those terminals are connected. This one is drain, this one is drain. So gate, drain, also this one drain, and source. The same working principle. If I put one probe here, another here, I get 1 drop voltage. Means this is a good MOSFET. I can just put one probe here in this pin, because also this one is drain, another here, I get the same reading, 0.1 voltage. Means what? Means the MOSFET is serviceable. So this is the end of part 3. Guys, I hope that you understand. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. Of course, part 4 will be tomorrow or after tomorrow. Just be sure you hit the notification bell for alerts. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to like the video. And for anyone who wants to access learning, you can join my Patreon page. All links in the description. Thank you very much and see you in part 4.